Look, another video of the Subi.
No, that's just fucking
Light, yeah. Yeah, I hold it already. I already do. Blowing it. So he got a what? Cobb cold air intake.
Right? Blowout valve, son. Oof. And then the wastegate.
And I think the rest of the parts come tomorrow, right, Chris?
Ooh, test pipes. Are you gonna get those?
What else? What else?
That will down as soon as the same shit.
What else did you say was coming tomorrow?
Down pipe and a fucking.
Dang.
Down
pipe, the
short shifter.
Oh yeah, short throw shifter. Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to shift like?
What else? He also got that third bottom brake light off of the Subi. He has that one right here. And what else?
I'm gonna get it too.
We're waiting for it to cool. I know it's hot. We're waiting for it to cool down.
Yeah.
That's why.
Se me fue la onda,
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
have to wait for a good minute, cause.
So I'm gonna stop it right here, real quick.
Bring out the fat fucking the dyno fan.
Oh yeah. You wanna see the dyno fan? It's ready. It's ready to go. Alright, so first we just took out the cover.
I hear head gasket already fucking up on that BMW.
Damn.
What is it, E92? Yeah, E92. Fuck that.
Then we're just taking out that little bolt to the one that connects to the box, right? The air box.
Oh, I'm gonna disconnect the fucking.
No, pues ya.
The sensor, you know?
Oh yeah, that's like one of the main things. You know that check engine, or it's gonna put it in lit mode, where it doesn't go past like 3,000 RPM or some shit.
You don't have a fucking extension?
Oh dang, that was perfect.
Yeah.
Oh dang.
I gotta get the super sign in
And there's a bolt down there and right here to take it off. What is Brian doing? That thing's gonna fall. Always, they're always on.
You know, too much heat, especially with this fucking heat. I be seeing those taquaches with the HIDs on and shit. I'm like, we know you have HIDs, fool, turn them off.
Then they're blue.
Yeah, them blue ass fucking 8K, you can't even see shit. 6K at the most, dog.
6K.
I think Dustin, bro, gets a shitload of views on this.
Then there's another one down there somewhere.
Ahí, güey, mira. Un Civic, güey, mira. Órale.
Al yonke.
Al yonke, pretty much. Clean title. Oh, ya, la primera vez latino.
Oh.
Perro. El perro bebidos.
Damn, boy, you got a lot of space back here. Right.
Eso, güey. Para acá. ¿Dónde están los perros?
Oh, ya fueron.
What the fuck?
Ah.
For where?
For where? El Master Tech, yeah. He's out of the season.
That's why you gotta use gloves like the niggas on YouTube.
Hey, there's gloves right there. Yeah. Bad.
Yeah, I can feel it from over here and shit. Like, it's just still fucking steamy.
What? Is that good?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yep. Look, let's see who's out over there.
He's hitting gears too.
See if he parks up. Oh, I thought he was gonna park up. Oh, it came off? So that's all y'all needed to do to take this off. It wasn't that much, right? It was just like what?
There's still
Another piece, a middle piece? Oh, okay.
The piece that goes to the floor.
Oh, okay. And look what we do to this one. Whoop. That's what we do to all the parts that we get out. Yeah.
On the market, slightly used.
Yeah, slightly used.
Best stop protection. Look, you can take off the under guard, the splash guard. Look,
Vape guard over here.
So just take off the bottom guard, and then you can get
¿Y luego de allá cuál es allá abajo?
Well, I have to take the bottom.
Oh, that cover?
Yeah.
Oh, I could see it through up here.
Can you pass me the flathead?
Yeah. A big one? Ese was Brian. El Brian. In the tunnel. ¿Y allá abajo cuántos hay?
It's just this clamp.
That one right there?
Yeah.
That's it? What, did you change? Or did you put the one that you had?
Huh?
Oh, that same one?
Where?
Yes,
The
last
other
night.
babe, yeah.
That's fucking good. But that juice makes my throat hurt.
There.
Damn.
Saca el flash. Nah, hell no.
¿Saca el qué?
El box.
I don't know how this shit goes.
So that's just like, alright, so where does this one connect to? The bottom? I'm pretty sure right here. Huh? Yo yin? Yo yin?
It probably connects to the intake.
Yeah, to the, not to the turbo, to where the turbo's.
Ya, está todo rayado ya.
Mira.
A la verga ya. Right? It goes like that.
Perfecto.
I told
Al
you.
puro ojo. You're like, ah. So, ¿ya lo vas a poner así?
I mean, that's the only way.
Are you gonna put the clamp first or
Oh, yeah.
through here?
Pero no, I'm gonna put it over there.
First?
Huh?
Pero
Yeah,
aquí
first.
también necesita uno.
Yeah, I know. And let's put
Oh,
after.
no.
No.
Oh, hopefully it doesn't get harder now, man. Like, you know, harder to put the clamp on. A ver. Let's see if he made it official. Oh. Woo. Details. That's what matters. Alright, so you put the, what do you call that? That silicone thing?
This thing?
Yeah.
Oh, no, like the hose? Silicone hose? I guess?
Nah, it's not a hose. It's like the,
I don't know.
I don't know. It has a name, but I forgot.
I don't fucking know.
But that it's down there. ¿Ya lo meto?
You don't have a long one, right? Like a long.
Along what?
Daddy long day.
Daddy long man. Do I pull it up more or what? Alright, so we figured out how the airbox went. It didn't take us that long, you know, it's just an airbox, right?
Just a minute.
It literally just goes down like that.
Took us like 10 minutes.
Bad. Oh, so it don't vibrate or what? Little rubber thing. Actually, one of me.
No, viene con los pinches esos.
¿Cuál? We're just tying down the box. It's not going in the, yeah, there we go.
Fucking trailer.
Skedaddle.
Skedaddle, get the fuck out of here. Skedaddle, get the fuck out of here.
Make sure y'all take the sensor off the old intake and put it on the new ones. Like, this one's further down, right?
Yeah.
Make sure y'all don't touch it either.
Yeah. Alright, so basically I tied down the fucking, these brackets right here. And that one.
The clamps.
Oh yeah, the clamps.
Those two right there, right?
Yeah.
That was
Those
it.
two, that's about it, yeah.
But that's
And
like
this
a
shit
weird
runs
curve, right?
like through here and up there. And that's where the sensor goes. Right there. And that's the fucking turbo, big ass turbo, look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, I mean, you can't really see it, but
Alright.
Alright, so then what's next? Just connecting this? Oh, the,
sensor wire.
yeah.
Okay.
Make sure y'all connect this too.
Well, no shit.
If not, then
Fucking check everything out.
Yeah, cause this one's like further down. It's like
Yeah,
down
this is
there.
fucking like.
Yeah, extension. Yeah. And then the sensor is down there wherever he's hooking it
I
up.
don't know where should I fucking set to this shit so it's not like loose.
I mean, if right there. Now we need to put the filter and then the top. Then I think tomorrow he gets his J-pipe right.
Yeah.
NVIDIA catalyst right. Yeah, J-pipe.
And then the short throw.
Oh, short throw shifter, yeah. You only ordered 4 things? Thought it was something else.
I was gonna buy the block valve.
Oh yeah, but you didn't.
But I didn't.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna get the intercooler in the front.
The ETS on it. Then the last of the hardware, just put it right here. Oh, it had like washers or something, like plastic. Oh, you didn't even put these.
Oh shit.
Ah. You're not gonna put them? Or?
Sure.
I mean, is it gonna rattle? Touch it?
Nah.
No? Then you should be good, no? Just keep them, just guardalos. True, true. You got me on that one. He got me on that one. I'll give it to him this time. On the whip. Let me see. Man, it looks like it's just normal, right? Like, just put like a metal thing right here. It looks nice, right? Like, it looks like so flush with everything. Nice. So basically it's done, right? So what, now you just have to turn it on or what?
If it turns on.
If it turns
He's
gonna have to, yeah, he's gonna have to get a tune, cause it can go into limp mode. So yeah, he's gonna have to do that, and then he still has a J pipe too. So right, dang. All right, so the final test right here. Put everything together, so he's about to turn it on. Nah, we connected everything right. That was it. That was all we disconnected and connected.
Does it have oil?
Nah, ni le echamos.
Need to get your AC off.
Turn the AC off.
I need to throw your Wrx now.
Did you hear that at the beginning? Like boom, 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 boom. Ghost cam. Everything's good right now. Right now. Tommy exhaust. You gonna rev it? Do you hear it?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. Now, they said that?
Look, it doesn't pass it when I step on it.
Oh, when you step on it.
Oh my god, dude, it sounds so fucking good.
But once I'm driving and it fucking passes, then
Mira. Sounds like if he had a blow-off valve. Right. Imagine if he did. Ooh. It's over. Throttle response or what? No or no? A little bit? A little bit?
Bro, that shit pushed me back.
Yeah. For real. I'm gonna have to get a neck brace. Mira. Oh, dang. My heart. Oh my god. Hopefully this comes out good on the video.